Hello, this is a video from Bullis Student Tutors, how to remove a tire. Step 1 in removing your tire is applying the parking brake. This is a very important step in order to ensure your vehicle will not move as you are changing the tire. Step 2, find and remove all of your tools. Differently found in every vehicle. Some tools are found in the side. With this vehicle, tools are found underneath of the with the jacked up tire. Here's a jack. Step 3. Remove your wrench from your jack. Now this wrench needs to come off of this jack. In order to do this, we must unscrew the jack and jack it down in order for the wrench to come off of the jack. Eventually, your wrench will come off of the jack, and sometimes the jack is found. Otherwise, Step 4. Finding your jack placement. Most jack placements will be underneath of the front rear tire, or if you were changing a front tire, behind the front tire. You will see right here there's a little niche where you must put your jack on. It is not like this for a vehicle, though many it is. Ensure that your jack does not move once you have tightened it up. Step 5. Jack up your vehicle. When you jack up your vehicle, you want to make sure that your tire is not touching the ground at all, because if it is, it will be very hard to remove your tire. Step 6. Loosen and remove your tire. So, in order to loosen your bolts, you need to loosen every single one. These bolts are very hard to loosen, and so, if you cannot get it with just your hands, you can use your foot and kick it in order to get it loose. Make sure your car is jacked up, unlike mine, and do it in this order, or some order. Just make sure that it is opposite bolts you are removing. In order to put the tire back on the vehicle, you will need to do the exact same as you had just done, except opposite. Ensure that your bolts are incredibly tight, as you don't want to lose your vehicle.